We're talking about falling at a restaurant today in this edition of The Law and You. Always good to see attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. How are you guys tonight?
We are doing just fine. Just fine,
No
Dave.
one likes a restaurant more than Ed. Ed loves restaurants.
Ed, the restaurant guy.
I like to cook.
Ready to answer this question? All right, let's address it here. Frank in Stroudsburg says, I was at a restaurant last week and slipped and fell on a wet floor outside of the kitchen. I was told by another customer that a server dropped a drink and did not clean it up. I broke my wrist, I hurt my back, I feel bad about falling, but I don't think I did anything wrong. Does Frank have a case?
Frank, you do have a case. So a restaurant has a absolute obligation to make the premises safe for those people who are going to be eating at the restaurant. And that includes, the floor. If somebody dropped a drink and didn't clean it up, then you're going to have a claim against them because obviously the floor needs to be clean and free from any hazards. This drink being on the floor for an unreasonable length of time, especially when people in the restaurant know about it, would be an unreasonable hazard, and you'd be able to have a claim for this.
And we've litigated these cases, if you remember, like where the store or the restaurant creates the danger. They basically created it and didn't clean it up. So I think he has a great case. I think,
it's a good case.
You always want to check for surveillance, get that witness's name,
photos,
statements, photos. That's all the stuff you need to do when your case. Do your treatment. You already have the medical claim. You didn't do anything wrong. You're there as a business invitee.
Yep.
Highest duty to that person. You win. That's a winner. Just reach out and get
some
help
good
on
case.
that. Yeah.
So the key here is documenting
as
quickly as
Yeah,
possible.
slip and falls especially.
Yeah, you got to put it
100%.
together. I mean, you're going to have to, you're really, going to have to put it together the right way in order to be successful. But on its face, you have the makings of being able to sustain, this claim.
And if you need help, the firm that'll make the difference. Contact these guys. They'll hook you up. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli.
It's in our wheelhouse.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.